Welcome to another video. In this 2013 Singapore Math Olympiad, let's see how to expand this. Remember, the bracket at the back is just like a floor functions. So if I let this to be x, if x equals to the entire of this, which is 3 plus root 17 divided by 2, and I let y to be in opposite one, which is 3 minus root 17 divided by 2. And note that, so this 17 of 18, so if you take the square root of 17 is something 4 points above, so which means following this inequality, so we know that 4 will be less than root of 17, and this root 17 less than 5. So that is, there is a ranges between this, and so we know that the value of y here, when press it in a calculator, so it must range between this 4 and 5. So that is, the value of y here is given as the approximate of negative 0 point something. So, and all these points at the back, so they are a number, and which is negative. So the next thing I'm going to do here is, so suppose we have this x and y already set. So I want to apply some identity, but before that, if I try to add these two and I multiply these two, so we are going to have x plus y given as 6 divided by 2, then everything equals to 3. And by multiplying x and y together, so we are going to have, since it is a difference of a 2 square, then we multiply 3 and 3, and with 7 multiplied by root 7, and this becomes 9 minus 17 divided by 4. So the entire of this one becomes negative 2. So the sum of x and y is 3, and the product is negative 2. So by now employing this identity, the identity of, so suppose I choose, since it is a cubic raised to power of 6 as an identity, so which means the value I'm going to use, and we should know that this one is more of s raised to power 6, the floor function of it. Then we are going to have s raised to power of 6 plus s raised to power of 6 with an identity of, the identity of this is, so if I have bracket x raised to power of 2 plus y raised to power 2 all raised to power of 3 minus 3x square y square bracket x square plus y square. So what is the identity of this? But I want to break it down. So to be having x plus y and x dot y. So therefore, x square plus y square only, so it can also be written as, so this is sum of 2 square, which is x plus y raised to power 2 minus 2xy. And we bracket everything, then we raise this to power of 3, since it is having 3 already. And so for this, we have minus 3. So if these two are working under square, we have xy raised to power of 2, and y for the last one, which is x square plus y square, as I've applied it above. So it becomes x plus y raised to power of 2 minus 2xy. Okay, so here is what I'm going to use. So when I'll be applying this, so x plus y is 3 and xy is negative 2. So we just try to do the replacement. So the value of x plus y here is given as 3, and this 3 raised to power of 2. So, and we have minus 2 bracket xy is negative 2. We replace it, the raised to power of 3 minus 3 bracket, so xy is still negative 2. So we place it, raised to power 2 bracket x plus y is 3, and we have 3 square minus 2 bracket minus 2 all bracket, and if we expand this, 3 square is 9, everything is plus, and it is plus 4 raised to power of 3 minus, we are going to have this as 3 square, that is, everything is 12 bracket 3 square is 9 plus, so we still have 4. So everything here, if we try to expand, so here is 13 raised to power 3 minus 12 multiplied by 13. The sum of everything is 2041. All right. So that is the sum of x raised to power 6 plus y raised to power 6 equals to 2041. So therefore, from what we left above as x squared plus y x raised to the power of 6 plus y raised to the power of 6 is now equals to 2041. And we are looking for the floor function of x raised to the power of 6. So that is, by transferring y to the other side, we have 2041 minus y raised to the power of 6. So we cannot leave this since it is not the bracket we are giving. So we are giving this as x raised to the power of 6 bracket then equals to a floor of 2041 minus floor minus y raised to the power 6, which is negative 0 point something. So and we have negative 0 point dot dot dot. So and which those dot 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 they are numbers. And don't forget this raised to power of raised to power 6. So and we close it with this floor. Then so the floor of x raised to power 6 equals to, if you try to expand this, so it's going to be positive, all right, and subtracting it from this, so everything here is approximately to 2040. So therefore the floor of x raised to power 6, so which I've left here, to be 3 plus root 70 divided by 2, the entire value is 2040. And here is how to solve this problem. And if you know another way of doing this, you can drop it in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and never miss a step out from this. Thanks for watching and never stop learning.